What if your replacement doesn't need sleep, doesn't need a salary, and never complains? That's not science fiction anymore. Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's already here. It's writing emails, designing logos, answering customer services call at 2 a.m. So now the real question is AI coming for your job? Companies are already deploying tools from organizations like OpenAI, while the giants such as the Microsoft and Google are embedding AI directly into their system businesses use every day. Jobs built on repetitive, rule-based tasks, data entry, transcription, basic design, and entry-level writing are the most exposed because AI can do those faster and cheaper. But here's what's interesting. AI is powerful at recognizing patterns, yet it struggles with human judgment, emotional nuance, ethics, and accountability. That's why careers in healthcare, skilled trades, investigative journalism, education, and leadership remain far more resilient. What's happening isn't total job replacement, it's job transformation. AI isn't replacing entire humans, it's replacing specific tasks. The people who learn to work with it become more competitive. The ones who ignore it risk falling behind. So is AI coming for your job? Maybe, but more accurately, it's coming for parts of it, and the future belongs to the people who knows how to work alongside it. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe to EMG TV across all our digital platforms.